The University of Maryland is celebrating a group of engineering students who took home the top prize in a competition after designing a cutting-edge search and rescue drone. News 4's Dominique Moody shares how this piece of technology is just a few short years away from saving lives here at home and across the country.
When time is of the essence, first responders are on the front lines leading recovery missions. But now, this one-of-a-kind drone may be called into action in a few years.
We are still in a prototype phase. We haven't reached the stage where we can sell it to people.
You are looking at some of the masterminds behind Gambit, a drone that can fly indoors without a GPS. Technology equipped with HD and night vision cameras and a thermal reader to look for survivors after disaster strikes. Think hurricanes, earthquakes, even wildfires. Chingwen Wei and Animesh Shastri helped lead the University of Maryland's autonomous micro-air vehicle team to a national victory, thanks to their collaborative creation.
And right now, the market for kind of indoor drones doesn't really exist. There aren't that many drones designed for it.
Gambit is designed to help people in hard-to-get-to places, and it also alleviates any first responders into entering any dangerous conditions.
This technology has the ability to help us save lives. We can dispatch this technology into a house fire or a structure that has been damaged, and it can look for victims.
The team's innovation got the approval from Prince George's County Fire Chief Tiffany Green, as well as Congressman Glenn Ivey, who issued a proclamation in honor of the team's hard work.
This specific group of students had been working on this project for a year, and the drone they created, I think, was phenomenal.
This isn't the end of the story for Gambit. The team is looking to provide it for first responders within the next few years.
We're looking to kind of potentially make it a marketable product. So there's a few ways we're kind of looking into doing it.
In College Park, Dominique Moody, News 4.